part 2, missing angles. Find the following ratios. So we're looking for sine, cosine, tangent of this triangle over here. Okay. So let's okay. Sorry, I got my dogs running around right now. Okay, so here's our triangle drawn out. We're looking for sine, cosine, and tangent. Let's go one at a time. So we're looking also of x, so that's this angle. So sine is opposite over hypotenuse. So sine of x is equal to, opposite is 16, hypotenuse is 34. Cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse. So cosine of x is equal to 30 over 34. And finally, tangent, remember, is opposite. So it's this one over adjacent. So we're going to have tan x is equal to, opposite is 16. Hypotenuse is 34. Okay, so those are the ratios. How can we find the measure of angle x? Well, we can take any of these three and find x. The way you do that is, let's just do sine. So we're going to do sine x is equal to 16 over 34. So go to our calculator. You're going to type in 16 divide by 34. And then there is a inverse option. So here's our sine. There you go. Hit function. Oh, actually, I should have done this backwards. So we do sine of -1. So this is the inverse function. 16 over 34. And your angle is right here, 28.07. And we're right to the nearest tenth, so it'll be 28.1. Oops. I don't know why it's doing that. Oh, there's other. Okay, there's some notes here. Arcsine of x, arccosine of x, or arctangent of x. So these are the inverse sine, cosine, tangent, or also known as arcsine. Sorry. So there's my answer. So we have x is equal to, what was it? 28.1 degrees, if you want to put that in there. We can check this with any of the other numbers as well. Let's try cosine x, 30 over 34. So cosine, and then we'll go back to the numbers. We have, I'm looking at my board, 30 divided by 34, close parenthesis, 28.07. Finally, let's do the tangent version. So tangent, and our numbers in there was, oh, too far over, 16 over 34. So, start this over. Nope, that's not what I wanted. There we go. Boom. Numbers, 16 divided by 34. And we get 25 point, oh, that's weird. Let's see here, what did I do wrong there? Oh, I have 34 in the bottom. That's a mistake. There you go. I caught myself. This should be a 30. Because adjacent is 30. There you go. So I know it was wrong. So let's change that 34 to a 30 and we should get the same answer. Boom. Now we have 28.07. Okay.